I'm Joan Kuhl. I'm the founder of Why Millennials Matter. I'm also an international speaker and an author. I've written 2 books, the first Globals, which is an ebook, and the forthcoming Peter Drucker's classic, The 5 Most Important Questions, Enduring Wisdom for Today's Leaders. And I'll talk a little bit about the book launch, but first to give you some background about why I started my business and what it is that we are on a mission to do. I spent 13 years in the pharmaceutical industry, but one of the biggest themes in my career was about investing time in young talent and helping others see their potential beyond their own perception of themselves. And that was my motivation for volunteering in my community, staying involved with my alma mater at the University of Pittsburgh, the drive that I had to get my MBA at Rutgers University, even just my studies in my MBA program also focused on understanding generational dynamics in the workplace and how a company or an organization could invest in young talent. So I always knew that I had a passion for helping young leaders achieve their potential, but I also had experienced as a new manager a lot of the disconnect between executives, between leaders, between managers and young talent, particularly the millennial generation. Millennials are defined between those born between 1980 and 2000. So it's a large generation scope right now, and as we learn more about Gen Z, the generation following behind, it'll probably get a little tighter. But if you think about those that are age 15 to 35 years old right now, that's an extreme in terms of all the different life experiences and where they could be professionally. A lot of times I help break down the stereotypes and the misperceptions about millennials, those that think that we're talking about teenagers in the backseat of a car on their cell phone. I'm talking about someone that she could be a senior vice president at your organization. She could be a young working mother at 24 years old that has multiple jobs, but is also a Girl Scout troop leader. It's also that sophomore entering school trying to figure out how to balance both paying for the tuition and those demands while also getting internships and experiences in student leadership. So my mission through Why Millennials Matter is to build an organization where we are both leading research around the world to uncover what millennials want, what influences their behavior, their decisions, their career interests, their consumer brand loyalty, but also then consult with organizations, transform how they recruit, how they onboard, how they invest their resources in training and developing rising stars, along with increasing awareness with executives and leadership and brands to the value and unique talents and aspirations in this young workforce, but also in this community of smart, savvy consumers. So that's why Millennials Matters, and that brings me to my excitement about our forthcoming book, The 5 Most Important Questions. The Frances Hesselbein Leadership Institute is really the beneficiary of this great resource. And our mission at the Institute, which I'm a board member of, is to develop and share resources with emerging leaders around the world. The organization actually was started in Peter Drucker's name as a nonprofit institute, led by Frances Hesselbein, who now the institute is in her name. Frances is the former CEO of the Girl Scouts of the USA. She's been my mentor for as long as I can remember because she's also an alumni at my school, the University of Pittsburgh. She's the recipient of the Presidential Medal of Freedom, the highest honor that a civilian in our country can receive, and a real advocate for young leaders as well, and diversity and women. So this book is intended to be the type of resource that can connect the generations. I spend a lot of time on college campuses across the country as a spokesperson and the career expert for Barnes & Noble College. They operate 725 college bookstores. And I find in talking to students today that they're not familiar with Peter Drucker, the father of modern management. So this book, which Peter's work is very well known by executives today, this will bridge a gap and build a common language between rising stars and tenured leaders. This will help as a resource for you to understand why you're doing what you're doing at your business and how to excel and do it more efficiently and scalable and and meet the demands of an ever-changing customer landscape globally. So this book is a compilation of different contributions from significant authors like Marshall Goldsmith, best-selling author and best thinker named by Harvard Business Review, Jim Collins, author of Good to Great and Built to Last, Raghu Krishnamurthy, the Chief Learning Officer of GE, but also with new, young millennial voices and takeaways. Mike Radparvar, the founder of Holstein. That's an incredible story. Also, Nadira Hira, who was one of the first reporters to talk about millennials on the cover of Fortune magazine. Carolyn Gosen, who is the founder of Levo League, an extraordinary supportive organization for millennial women. So altogether, we address these 5 important questions. This can be used in the classroom, it can be used at a business meeting, it can be used in a young professional organization, it can be used in a church, it could be used on campus, it could be used in the executive suite and at the board of directors meeting. So it's really a resource for managers in a contemporary, thoughtful way, and we're excited about sharing it and the launch on March 23rd. So look forward to hearing anybody's questions or their experiences with millennials as we continue to work on this mission to help really develop young talent into the future leaders of all of our organizations. Thank you.